charge number of complex ion and oxidation state of metal. Now today in this video we are discussing how the oxidation state of metal ion can be calculated in a coordination complex. It is the important video because whole of the chapter is depend when you study about the IUPAC nomenclature. Then in this IUPAC nomenclature you have to calculate the oxidation state of a metal. In the last year in 11th class you have studied about the how to calculate the oxidation state of the various element in a given compound. That is, you have studied in 11th class redox reaction. But in this complex compound you have to calculate the oxidation state of metal by adding the charge present on the ligand. Now, charge number of a complex ion is nothing but the total charge or a net charge which is present on a complex ion. That is known as the charge number or a net charge. It is nothing but a algebraic sum of charge on metal ion and charge on ligand. Now the oxidation state of a metal is nothing but the charge which is present on a metal ion. Now we shall calculate how the charge number of complex ion and oxidation state of a metal can be calculated. We shall see the various examples. For example, we shall take the example that is Fe Cn by 6 4 negative. That is the complex, that is hexacyanoferrate second ion. We shall discuss about the nomenclature in the next video. In this complex, the charge number of a complex ion is -4. Now, what is the oxidation state of ferrous? That is the central metal ion in this whole of the complex. For calculating the oxidation state of such a central metal ion, then we shall solve this as the oxidation state which you have to find, you have to written as it is. That is, OS means oxidation state of ferrous plus second one is the cyanide. One cyanide carry a 1 minus charge because cyanide is a negative ligand which carry a 1 minus charge like this. So in this way there are 6 ligands are present. That's why we can write 6 into and one cyanide carry a -1 charge. That is equal to, now I have told you that is the charge number of a complex ion is a -4 and it is nothing but the algebraic sum of oxidation state of central metal ion and charge present on a ligand. That's why it is the algebraic sum. Oxidation state of ferrous which we have to determine plus algebraic sum and the charge present on the ligand. That is equal to total net charge, that is equal to -4. If there is a no charge here, then we can write here 0. But here -4 charge is present because it is the sum of these two. Now we shall calculate now oxidation state of ferrous plus, if you multiply 6 by -1, that it will be become, that is -6. That is equal to -4. Now we shall calculate this. Now this -6 after is equal to will be converted into plus 6. And we can write this oxidation state of Fe is equal to this minus 6 will be converted into plus 6. That's why we can write here 6, and this minus 4 will be as it is, that is minus 4. Now the oxidation state of Fe is equal to 6 minus 4, that is equal to 2. But oxidation state are written as plus 2, that's why we can write the oxidation state as plus 2. Now we can conclude that the Fe by 6 4 negative, the oxidation state of ferrous is plus 2. In this way we can calculate the oxidation state of such a complex ion. Another example we shall take, that is Cn by 4 dinegative. Now the charge number in this complex ion is minus 2. You have to calculate the oxidation state of nickel anion. Then we can write here oxidation state of Ni plus 1 minus, there are 4 cyanide, that's why we can write 4 into the cyanide carry 1 minus charge, that's why we can write here minus 1. And net charge is minus 2. This charge number is minus 2. Here it will be, it was a minus 4, that's why we wrote here minus 4. Here minus 2, that's why we wrote here minus 2. Now we shall calculate OS of Ni plus, if you calculate this bracket, then it will be a minus 4. 4 into minus 1, that is equal to minus 4. That is equal to minus 2. Now, oxidation state of Ni, that is equal to, this minus 4 will be converted, after shifting here is equal to, it will be converted into plus 4, and minus 2 will be remain as it is, that is minus 2. That's why oxidation state of Ni is equal to plus 2. So in this way we can calculate the oxidation state of a central metal ion in a complex compound. Okay. Now we have another example for the calculation. That is FeCO by 4. Now this complex compound does not carry any sort of charge. That's why we can consider that this charge is 0. No charge is present, that means this complex compound or a charge number of a complex ion is 0. So we can calculate the oxidation state of ferrous in this complex compound. I write here oxidation state of Fe plus, there are 4 carbonyl. This ligand, what is the name of this ligand? That is carbonyl. That's why 4 carbonyl N2. This carbonyl is a neutral ligand. Neutral means it does not carry any sort of charge. That's why we can write here 0. And net charge is also equal to 0. No charge is present, that's why we shall write here 0. Now calculate this OS, that is oxidation state of Fe plus, this become 0, that is equal to 0. 4 into 0, that is equal to 0. That's why oxidation state of Fe is equal to 0. Now here in this complex compound, that is FeCO by 4, the oxidation state of ferrous is 0. So in this way we can calculate the various oxidation state of the central metal ion by using charge number of complex ion. Okay.